Making the Move with Patty Tip.
Hi, Patty Blossfeld here, real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Realty in Morristown, New Jersey, and thanks for stopping in my video series, Making the Move with Patty Tip. So jumping off of my first episode where it was make a plan, because you really need a plan to do this whole process. I feel a big piece of making the move, which is why I think a lot of people don't make the move, is the emotional part. It is really hard to say goodbye to that house that you've been in, regardless of how long it is. But yes, the longer you've been there, the more memories you have, the harder it is to pack it up. I know for myself, we sold our house of 27 years back in the fall. And thankfully, my youngest, who lives in Arkansas, she was able to come home and help me pack for about 3 weeks. Well, she was getting ready to go back. And I had my other two kids who live in Philly. So we had a family dinner on a Sunday night. To say it was rough is lightly. It was really, really emotional. I cried the whole day. I tried not to let my kids see it. I knew this was the last time. There would be no other time we were all together. But I got through it. I did do it. I had my neighbor come over and take a picture of us all. I looked a hot mess, but I did do it. Then on the day of closing, I went to my house. I took a video outside. That wasn't really pretty either, but it helped. It helped me, because I was struggling with saying goodbye to these memories. So really my tip is, talk about it. Find somebody who will just listen. And if family member's too hard, a friend. Call your real estate agent. We are really good listeners. And we do help people through, every aspect of the move. So, you could also go around, take pictures. Maybe not you, actually. Get a friend or a family member to take pictures of everything, anything you want photos of, and then put together a memory book, that you do on Shutterfly before you move, because then you have those memories and, you can take it with you. So the tip is be prepared for the emotions, but don't let it stop you from making the move. Thanks for joining me today. Hope to see you soon. Take care.
Making the Move with Patty Tip.